guys, today's video, mag-make tayo ng ice cream. So, we got, condensed milk and ito, Nestle cream, and strawberry and blueberry. Let's start, guys! First,
Wait lang. Umusap yung...
next, ito. But we need mommy because it's dangerous. Okay, so guys, if you want to make this at home, get all your ingredients. Ito na?
Yes.
We have to mix it, guys. Mix up and then yung volume. Okay, so guys, if you want to make ice cream at home, get your ingredients right now. Mama, like this, no. Mama, bakit ganito na to? Okay, na to. Guys, now let's put the blueberries and strawberries. It's just kasi si Mami nag-blender niya. Now mix it. Guys, look at the ice cream. Taste test.
Ang dami! Ganyan lang.
Yummy! I will take it tomorrow, guys. Lagay mo na sa fridge. So, guys, ito yung background ko, maging labubos. Sige, so bye, guys!
24 hours later.
Guys, kunin na atin yung ice cream. Nandito, guys. Ito yung ice cream atin, guys. Okay, so guys, ito looks like yung ice cream. Ito. Okay, so guys, let's eat it. Ay. Yummy. Bye, guys.